Hello everyone, today Teacher San is going to talk to you about problems. For this type of question, if many students haven't learned it before, they might feel that it's difficult to solve. The main reason is because of that. You still don't understand the underlying logic. After Teacher Sunny explains 2 or 3 similar topics and crane problems, I believe that as long as you finish watching this video, you'll immediately know how to solve this kind of question. Actually, it's not that difficult. Let's go straight to analyzing the problem. 4 trucks transport sand, and in 7 trips they deliver 336 tons. Now there are 420 tons of sand, and the requirement is to finish transporting it in 5 trips. How many more trucks need to be added? Alright, so first we know that there are trucks, right? And then how many trips do they make? And then how many tons were transported in total? Alright, we know that 4 trucks making 7 trips can transport a total of 336 tons. At this point, we need to use the mathematical method called normalization. To normalize, we determine how many tons a single truck can transport in 1 trip, which means we simply need to divide. So, we divide it out. That is 336 divided by 4, then divided by 7, which equals 12. Alright, now the new problem tells us that there are currently a total of 420 tons of sand present, and all of it needs to be transported in 5 trips. How many trucks are needed to complete this task successfully? Okay, first, let's standardize this. If we, for example, combine these 5 trips into one single trip, if we combine it into 1 trip, how much sand would be transported in that case? That would be 400. Alright, October 5th. So to clarify, we are considering the total amount of sand that would be moved if all 5 trips were merged into a single journey, instead of keeping them as individual trips. In the end, each trip transports 84 tons of sand. Okay, so we can use 84 tons per trip on each journey, and now we know that for sure. 1 truck can carry 12 tons per trip. So now, with 84 tons to transport, how many trucks do we need in total? That would be 84 divided by 12, which comes out to 7 trucks. At the beginning, there were 4 trucks, but now there are 7 trucks. So what does that mean? It means the number of trucks increased by how many? In total, it increased by 7 minus 4, so 3 more trucks were added. Did you get it? If so, please give Teacher Sunny a like and follow, and use your hands to help. If you share this, more businesses can learn better mathematical thinking. The more you share, the more content Teacher Sun will share with everyone.